Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to share your Amazon Prime subscription benefits with family members. Amazon lets you share your Amazon Prime membership with up to 4 family members living in the same household. While those people you share your Amazon Prime membership with won't enjoy all of the benefits you do, they will get many of the most important ones, such as Prime Shipping, Prime Video, Amazon Fresh, Prime Now, Prime Reading, discounts and exclusives, and more. Sharing your Prime membership with a family member is easy and only takes a few minutes. Now let's walk through the steps to share your Amazon Prime account with a family member. Step 1. Tap or click to open the menu icon toward the top of the screen. A menu appears. Step 2. Choose Account in the menu. The Your Account screen is displayed. Step 3. Select Manage Your Household in the Account Settings section. You'll arrive at the Manage Your Household screen. On this screen, you'll have the ability to add another adult, a teen, or a child to your Amazon household. In this example, I'll add another adult. Step 4. Click Add an Adult in the Adults section. The displayed screen asks you to enter the name and email address of someone you live with to share some of your benefits of Amazon Prime with them. If that individual already has an Amazon account, make sure to use the email address associated with their Amazon account. Enter that information and then click Continue. Step 5. The next screen informs you that you must agree to share the wallet associated with your Amazon account in order to share Amazon Prime benefits. Click Agree and Continue. Step 6. The next screen asks what elements in your family library you want to share. Click to place a check mark next to the items you want to share and then choose Continue. Step 7. The next screen prompts you to send your invite to the family member you want to share your Amazon Prime benefits with. Click Send Invite. You'll be returned to the Amazon Manage Your Household screen where you'll see a note that the user you invited has 14 days to accept your request. Upon accepting your invitation, that person will automatically have the ability to start enjoying many of your Amazon Prime benefits. Let me know what your favorite Amazon Prime service is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.